In the previous video, we have discussed what is a parabola and how to derive equation of a parabola and what are the different parts, different aspects of the parabola. In a nutshell, at a glance, we are discussing here different kinds of parabola here, okay? Different types of parabola, but in standard form, okay? So there are 4 types of parabola in standard form. We are discussing here one by one. Here, first case, let us discuss this type of parabola here, like this, which is open in the right side, okay? And these are axis system. This is x-axis, x dash, origin is here. This is y-axis, y dash, focus is here. And this line is directrix. We can denote it by DD dashed. Okay, this is directrix. So in the previous video, we have already discussed that focus of coordinate will be how much? Here, this distance we are taking, this is A. So coordinates of focus is this is A0. And we have defined a parabola. That parabola is a locus of a point or a path traced out by a movable point which moves such that it is equidistant from a given point and a given line. So this focus is given point. Okay. So if you take any movable point on this parabola P having general coordinates x, y, then this distance PF will be equal to perpendicular distance on the directrix. This is PM. So we define that parabola is the locus of a point which moves such that it is equidistant from a given point. Given point is focus and a given line. This is directrix. Okay. So equation of the parabola is how much? We have already discussed. Equation of this parabola will be y square is equal to 4ax. We have already discussed. Just we are summarizing here. Okay. This is equation of parabola. And what are the coordinates of focus? Coordinates of focus will be here A0. Correct. And what is the equation of directrix? Here this distance is A, this distance is minus A. So x is equal to minus A. Equation of directrix. This is x is equal to minus A, or we can write x plus A is equal to 0. Correct? And this is axis of the parabola. So this is nothing but x-axis. So equation of axis of parabola will be how much? Y is equal to 0. Equation of axis of the parabola is, in this case, y is equal to 0. And you know that if you draw a line segment perpendicular to axis of the parabola passing through this point focus, which intersects the parabola at two distinct points. Let us say these points are L, L dash. So here L, L dash is called latus rectum. And the length of latus rectum is 4a. Length of latus rectum is 4a. And equation of latus rectum will be how much here? This is at a distance. Latus rectum is at a distance of A from the origin. So equation of latus rectum is x is equal to A. Equation of latus rectum is x is equal to A. So in a nutshell, these are the important facts about this parabola. Okay. This is type 1. Type 2, if parabola is open in the left side like this, parabola is like this, focus is here, this is a movable point P, this distance are equal. So in this case, equation of parabola will be, in place of A we have to write minus A, because here focus is in the left side of the origin. This is x-axis or axis of parabola, this is y-axis, and this is directrix. So in this case, focus is in the left of the origin, so coordinate of focus is minus A0 here, okay, minus A0. And equation of parabola, in place of A we have to write minus A. So in this case, equation of parabola will be y square is equal to minus 4ax. And coordinates of focus will be minus A0. And equation of directrix, here directrix is at a distance of A in the right side of the origin. So this will be x is equal to A, or we can write x minus A is equal to 0. Correct? And equation of axis will remain same. So equation of axis is x-axis. So equation of axis is y is equal to 0. And length of latus rectum will remain same. This minus will not affect because length is positive value always. So length of latus rectum is 4a. And equation of latus rectum, here latus rectum is in the left of the origin. So equation of latus rectum is x is equal to minus a. This is x is equal to minus a, or we can write x plus a is equal to 0. So this is second type of the parabola, when right in the left side this parabola is open. Now third type, if parabola is open in the upper side like this, then here axis of parabola is like this. This is x-axis, xo x dashed, and this is axis of parabola yo y dashed, and here directrix will be parallel to x-axis. We can write here dd dashed, and focus will be in the upper part of this x-axis. Focus will be here. So in this case, equation of parabola will be, here value place of x and y will be exchanged here. So equation of parabola in this case, when parabola is open in the upper side upward, this is x square is equal to 4ay. And focus in place of a0, here x coordinate will be 0, and this distance is a. Coordinates of focus is here 0a. So we can write coordinates of focus here 0a. And equation of the directrix, here directrix is parallel to x-axis. So parallel to x-axis, y is equal to some constant. What is the value of that constant? This is equal to minus a. So equation of directrix is y is equal to minus a, or we can write y plus a is equal to 0. Equation of axis of parabola, this is y-axis. So equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Length of latus rectum will remain same. This is 4a, length is positive value, always absolute value. And equation of latus rectum, here latus rectum is parallel to x-axis. So equation will be y is equal to some constant, and that is constant a. So y is equal to a. Equation of latus rectum is y is equal to a. And fourth case, when parabola is open in the ground side below, okay, and this is x-axis, x dashed, and this is y-axis, y dashed, and suppose this is directrix, d dashed. So in this case, focus will lie in the lower side of this origin. So its coordinate will be how much? Coordinates of focus will be, here x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is -a, and equation of parabola will be, simply in place of a we have to write -a. We will get the equation of parabola in this case. This is x square is equal to -4ay, and focus is 0 minus a, 0 minus a, and equation of directrix is y is equal to plus a. So y is equal to a or y minus a is equal to 0, and equation of axis of the parabola, axis of parabola is y axis here, and you know equation of y axis is x is equal to 0, and the length of latus rectum will remain same, 4a, and you know this is latus rectum which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola passing through the focus. So this is parallel to x-axis at a distance of -a from the origin. So equation of latus rectum is here, y is equal to -a. So this is summary of the parabola in all the 4 cases. And here one thing, this is very important to note, that coordinates of the vertex will always remain same, which is origin of the axis system in all the cases. So coordinate of the vertex is always coordinates of the origin, 0, 0. Correct? So this is very interesting. You are supposed to remember these facts of the parabola so that you could solve the questions very easily. And we have to discuss some problems from the exercise 10.2 of NCERT book. So remain in touch with this channel, IQ Learning, and share this video with your friends also. Wish you all the best.